Hello, and welcome to another update video about EGLD. Yeah, the EGLD chart has followed the complex WXY structure that we discussed in the last videos. And it is still a chart that gives me a bullish feel. I shouldn't say that, but more like there's a bullish outlook, okay? And we are dealing with a structure that's quite a complex WXY structure. These are so-called complex corrections because you think the correction might be over and then it extends, and yeah, we have one of those at the moment, and the support area hasn't changed in months, and we're now likely in a wave for pullback, and support is between $58.11 and $41.80. Of course, we've already broken into that support area. We've spent some time in it. Most recently, the price rallied here in a B wave, got rejected in the standard resistance area for a B wave, and we're now coming down in this C wave of Y of 4. This C wave should reach next, $48.40. That's the 38.2 retracement and an ideal target for a fourth wave. That level was already reached here in January, and the price rallied quite substantially, reached the $75 level. So quite a substantial increase, but lost it all again. Has given up nearly all of its profits. And we could test that area again. That's actually expected at the moment, possibly even a little bit lower. Because if you're looking at the micro pattern here, the microstructure, if this is really a WXY pattern, and it seems like one, so wave W to the downside, X wave to the upside, and the Y wave is unfolding right now as an ABC structure, then the A wave bottomed most likely here around the 20th of March. We had a B wave rally, and the C wave to the downside is likely unfolding right now. And the C wave to the downside should reach, as I said, 48.40, but there's another level that we can explore. Obviously, the key support is $41.80. That doesn't mean the price has to get there. It would actually be quite a deep wave for if the price gets to $41.80. However, what we can do is we can take the length of that A wave to the downside and we compare it to the C wave. And that gives us a clear target, of the internal waves. So we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and it's the $44, so $44.70 pretty much. Yeah, $44, $45. That's a key target. And it seems like the price should get there. So I'm looking at specifically the area between $48.40 and $44.70 for a low, or the potential to reverse there. $44.70 should really be reached, but the 38.2 fib retracement at $48.40, well, yeah, $48.40 is the ideal target. $44.70 is the ideal target for the internal structure, for the C wave. So it's going to be quite interesting how the price is going to manage that, but the idea is, that we are close to the completion of this wave 4 correction. Plenty of space still in the support region, and we are dealing likely with this complex WXY, and it doesn't look finished yet, but it is worth keeping an eye on these support levels that I mentioned. Also, around that area, around 48.40, there is structural support, and the price could find support there and, generate possibly a bounce. So what would be the next target to the upside then? So should the fourth wave be completed, then the fifth wave should take the price higher, obviously. We talked already about the idea that the price could get to $87. I might need to recalculate that depending on from where the fifth wave starts. But larger degree targets point towards $100. So there could be quite a good reward to risk ratio from this area if I tell you, okay, technically, it could come down to $41.80, but more specifically, I'd like to see a bounce from $48.40 to $44.70. And then as soon as there is a confirmed reversal, you might be able to set a tight stop, and then the fifth wave could get to $87 to $100. That's my update about EGLD. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.